French fry. Scented right. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tessie. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do my crochet braid, and I try to use that African threading type method. So, and this is my first time of trying to do that flat African threading on my hair, and the first time of trying crochet braid on my hair, and it's come out awesome. So never you underestimate yourself for doing anything you want to do. Yes. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share this video. Look at that, it looks like weave on, right? It looks like weave on. It looks like extension, right? It looks like real wave. No, this is crochet braid, not wave. So I'm going to show you the product I use on this hair. Just X-pression. This is the extension I use. This canicular hair, I think that is what they call it. It's not focusing. So this is the one I use. I use the one that has this color, the red and black, or wine color, and the black. This is what I use. And I got it 3, and out of the 2-pack, this is what was left out of the 2-pack. So I did not even use complete 2-pack of it. Yeah, I got this in one of the African shop managed by Chinese here in Italy. That is where I got this, and I love the color so much. Look at how the color, look at how the look at how much it suits me. So let's get to this video. I hope you enjoy it. So guys, I'm starting off, but before I went ahead to secure my hair, moisturize my hair with water, and put them on this flat twist to help me just to make things easy for myself. So I'm using this wooden thread. I don't know what it's called again. So but just use the wooden one, the one I just showed you, or you can use normal African thread, depend on what you have. So I'm just going to be taking it and go ahead to thread them. You can practice it, it doesn't mean, but if you are the type that don't know how to do this, you can always use the weaving part method. You just weave your hair. But I think the reason why I went for this is because African threading helps our hair to grow. So my hair being under the crochet, it will help my hair grow as well. So it promotes hair growth. This is one of the reasons why I used it, and it's not very difficult actually, just like my first attempt. And you know how it is when you're doing your hair by yourself. So that is the only thing I find difficult in it. I know if I'm to do it to another person, it won't be the same. So here is what I got, and I'm trying to secure them under each one. Just secure them the right way you want them to go. So after securing them, here is the extension. This is how it comes on the back, these 2 pieces, and I'm removing them to start the crochet. Can you believe that? Like I said, this is my first actual crochet braid that I did myself. I was like, can I do this? But I get it done the same. So just take it and start crocheting them on your hair. That is all you need to do. Just put the hook, and yeah, just follow the step. Don't worry, there is the one I did not fast forward. There is a place where I made them a little bit slow for you to be able to see what I'm doing, but I had to forward them because the video was too long, so I really had to forward them. So I started, as you can see, I started from the last braid, like the last one. You have to start there up, and for that first section of braids, make sure you don't put too much of weave on it. Okay, here I'm doing it slow without forwarding the video. So like I was saying, the first one, don't put too much on it, because when you come up at the center of your hair, it's definitely going to, the other ones is going to cover them, so don't put too much there. So yeah, that is how it will fit, because if you pack it too much at that side part, it will be very full there, and maybe you will end up using too much extension on your hair, and I'm not sure you will enjoy the hair. So I'm just going to go ahead now to do the remaining hair, continue crocheting the remaining hair. That is what I'm going to be doing here. So I'm done with this part and I'm brushing it out, and yeah, here is remaining two. So I'm just going to let you know to wash, and I am done crocheting all of them, but I'm going to show you how I do the front as well, because I'm going to take out some of it at the front to show you how I do them. So here I'm crocheting the front just to make them full, and at the front I make sure that I took, like, the extension, don't take too big, let them not be too big when you arrive at the front. Let them not be too big at all, just make them very small. As you can see, I'm tying them twice. Just take a closer look at what I'm doing. You will understand what I'm doing very well. I'm 1, 2, then I will secure them. So make sure at the front you don't take too much extension there. Okay, so that is all, and yeah. So guys, I'm done crocheting the front side. This is what it looks like, and this is actually my first real attempt of doing a crochet braid. Yes. So I hope I tried a little, and I hope you learned something from my own from this, and try out to see if you can do it yourself. So after putting all the hair, all I'm going to do is I'm going to brush it out. Use your demi comb, use any brush you have to just brush it all out. So when I'm done brushing them, just try to smoothen them the way you want, the way it fits, the way that it suits your face. So that is what I did here. I used so when I'm done brushing, this is a hot comb, a hot brush as well. I've had this for over 2 years now. Yeah, I've had this for over 2 years or thereabout, but I don't use it often. I use it maybe once in a while for my natural hair. I think I use the maximum 2 times a year on my natural hair. I don't really use it often on my hair. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to use it, I put it on a medium one, so I'm going to use it to brush down the extension, just to give it that flat, smooth look. This is beautiful. I never knew that this color is going to be good on me, especially on a crochet braid like this. This is so beautiful, so beautiful. It's very, I love it. I love it. So yeah, when I'm done, and that is basically all, I'm just going to turn off this. Yeah, that is all. This is the final look of the hair. Let me know what you think. I'm not a pro, like I said. This is my really official first time trying this crochet braid that looks like extension. So I don't know how it looks like. So you tell me what you think. What you think about it. So yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you enjoy watching me do this crochet, and I hope you're going to give it a try as well. thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. In case if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe, because I might be I may coil this hair along the line, like I may decide to coil it, so stay tuned to see how I'm going to coil it or braid it as well. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you on my next video. God bless you all. Bye.